we're gonna turn to I don't know what the street is, but right next to that bridge we're gonna keep on walking. I love to take courtyards. I love to have a glimpse into courtyards and keep on walking, you know. Okay, I know this place. This is the building. I don't know if the video is already released or not, but this is the video that I went inside that building over there. So we're gonna keep on walking forward to the right, and then forward there's gonna be Zagorodny Prospect. It's a busy street, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna turn there or not. Annoying vlogger with the video. This is the building I actually went inside to check out the video. And we're gonna turn other way. We're gonna walk to that busy street over there, since that was the street I visited last time. So I love to change my routes. Eventually we could, I think, if I'm correct, somewhere to the right side is a Technological Institute station. Since this is a normal day at a beautiful city of St. Petersburg. Makeup kitchen. Yo, this street is Большая Казачья. Oh, sorry. Большой Казачий street. And this here is a prospect. It's Gorohovaya, sure, yes. This is River-Gorohovaya street. Let's see if the door happened to open, so we're gonna go in. And I love the courtyards of St. Petersburg. Just love them. There's a separate courtyard over here, and people have been partying, as you can see. It's cool. is a chain of hotels. I used to stay for many times at the one on Kazanskaya Street. It was cheap then, well, relatively cheap and conveniently situated, located. Dangerous, man, dangerous. He's alive.